The Motorola Moto G05 arrives as an affordable mid-range device, featuring an elegant design, a smooth display, and a chipset with AI features to optimize performance. Let's take a closer look at the details. We have a 6.67-inch IPS LCD panel with a 90 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smoother navigation, though nothing extraordinary. The resolution is 720 by 1604 pixels, which is acceptable for this category but could be improved. Protection is provided by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, while the construction features a glass front, a plastic frame, and an eco-leather finish on the back. It also comes with an IP54 rating, making it resistant to dust and water splashes. At the heart of the Moto G05 lies the 12nm MediaTek Helio G81 Extreme, a powerful octa-core processor with 2 Cortex-A75 cores at 2.0 GHz and 6 Cortex-A 55 cores at 1.7 GHz, paired with a Mali G52MC2 GPU. This performance is sufficient for everyday tasks and light gaming, and the AI support promises enhancements in camera functionality and battery management. The model is available with either 4GB or 8GB of RAM, along with 64GB or 128GB of internal storage. Additionally, storage can be expanded via a microSD card, a feature that is becoming increasingly rare. The main sensor boasts 50 megapixels with an f1.8 aperture and phase detection autofocus, capturing good photos in well-lit environments. The Moto G05 records 1080p videos at 30 FPS. On the front, the 8-megapixel camera also records in 1080p, making it ideal for video calls and basic selfies. One of the device's strong points is its battery. It comes with a 5,200 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting usage. The 18-watt charging isn't the fastest on the market, but it strikes a good balance between power and battery life. The Moto G05 ships with Android 15 out of the box, offering a clean and optimized system. Among its extras are stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos for immersive audio and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking. The Moto G05 is very competitively priced. The 4GB plus 64GB version costs around $136. The 4GB plus 128GB version is approximately $142. If you need more RAM, opting for the 8GB version will be a bit more expensive, but it will better suit your needs. With its distinctive design, long-lasting battery, and competent performance, the Moto G05 stands out in the mid-range segment. What do you think of this model? Leave your opinion in the comments. And if you're wondering where to buy it, the purchase links are in the description. Before you go, don't forget to join our exclusive Tech Deals channel on WhatsApp for the best smartphone deals and discounts. All links are in the description. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tech reviews like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next video.